Your B2B platform is live and ready to help you make sales efficiently, but not without your customers. There are 3 types of customers that will truly benefit from the portal. High-value Henrys want a digital catalogue of your products and would love the ability to instantly view stock availability and prices that apply to them. Low-maintenance Lionels place small orders regularly and are looking for a fast, efficient and reliable ordering option that requires minimal effort. Time-consuming Tinas occupy your sales team's time with simple and repetitive queries. While they're still important customers, you'll be able to support their queries more cost-effectively through self-service. The B2B portal will make their lives much easier, but getting people to adopt new technology can be challenging. So, how do you get Henry, Lionel and Tina on board? Talk to your customers about the power of the portal. For example, they can automatically place repeat orders to save time and reduce errors. Incentivize your customers with marketing promotions such as special pricing and discounts. Encourage your sales reps to promote adoption by teaching first-time users how to place their orders. Emphasize how the B2B portal is a 24/7 virtual salesperson, ready whenever they are to take an order. Once your customers see the power of an online B2B store, they'll never want to go back to manual orders. Join the hundreds of other Unleashed customers who've streamlined their sales operations with the B2B portal.